Well, there's a lot of talk about investors these days of looking for safety in companies with fortress-like balance sheets. But what exactly do we mean by that, and what should you be looking out for? Mike Santoli joins us now with some cautionary notes. Hi, Mike.
Yeah, or at least, Kelly, at least a little bit of a nuanced picture of this whole idea of going after companies that are very financially strong. It stands to reason, first of all. Obviously, one of the front and center worries right now is that this economic sudden stop is essentially stressing many companies who have a lot of debt. They won't be able to service it, and obviously corporate debt markets are reflecting that. So there are, established styles and funds that are dedicated to finding those companies that have very, very strong financial profiles, low debt, stable and high profit margins. And this really goes under the rubric of quality. Quality is a factor of investing. You have ETFs out there. You can look at Qual, Q-U-A-L, is one of them. That's essentially the iShares Quality Factor ETF. SPHQ is another one. There's a variety of these, and there's a lot of overlap in what they own, as you might expect. A lot of these blue chip names. Here's the thing, though. It hasn't really helped you this year to own these quality companies because they did get a bit overvalued at the peak. And also, it's been such an indiscriminate decline in stocks in the last month or so. So it hasn't really been great defense to date. But if you did say, I want to get back in the market and try to emphasize companies with staying power, this is the type of stock that would do that. And they now also have generally above average dividend yields. If you look at overlap in the ownership of these quality ETFs, you will find names such as Microsoft, Cisco is in there, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, still AAA rated on the credit side. So that all makes sense. The one thing I would throw out there, though, is on a huge relief rally day like today, these are not the stocks that are going to lead your way out. And if you've had a bruising stock market crash, bear market, it usually is not these companies that will necessarily be the big gainers off the bottom.
Right, and people might be happy to sacrifice that for the relative safety that they think they're going to get. Mike, it's good to see you.
Exactly.
Love the rustic look.
All right,
I'm Mike Santoli.